guten Abend. Fräulein, gut? Hey, hey, hey. Went out on work and tried for some redemptions, like, it's so windy. It's a little windy. I got a working receiver now. So I'm gonna go fly. I'm gonna try something. Boy, he's really pushing against that wind. Hey, I'm back. What's a guy to do? Just had the SU-47 out. Hey, radio works good. Guess what? I burned the speed control. Life goes on. La 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 la, life goes on. And time to redeem myself with the F-18. A little bit of sunshine warming me up. You can see it wiggling around. That's the wind. It's raunchy wind today. A little bit clean. Let's see if this new speed control can help. Little less drag on this one, but wow, that wind is strong. Wow. I might have to come back later. Just picked up to gale force or dale force winds. Come on, baby. Boy, I had to keep a third throttle on there just to get it back onto the ground. Otherwise it'll blow over backwards. Darn it! You know, the wind wasn't that strong when I came out. And now it's really, really strong. And that last gust was nuts. The good news is, we got a working speed control. Wow. And I'm in a pothole. Well, you know what? I'll be back. This is Nutso wind. Whoa! Okay. It's a little too much for a little soft foamy jet. Well, I'll say, hey, I can turn this into a double feature. How's that? Because the flights are, 30 seconds long, which really sucks. But, I put these through enough. I don't think I need to beat them so bad. And it gives me a chance to put a new speed control in this one. Lucky I have a lot of them around. The one that's in there is an original, oh boy, it's from Hobby King. It's a 40 amp, but yeah, it smells bad. It's the speed control, or maybe the motor. I mean, we'll find out. Hey, take care everybody. See you soon. Bye-bye.